Welcome to this presentation on process control in Linux. We will explore how to manage processes using the kill, pkill, and killall commands. These commands are essential for any Linux user who wants to understand how to control and manage running applications and services on their system. We will cover each command's purpose, usage, and best practices. Before diving into the commands, it's important to understand what a process is in Linux. A process is a running instance of a program. Each process has a unique process identification number, or PID, which is a numerical identifier that the operating system uses to track it. Processes consume system resources like central processing unit, also known as CPU, and memory. And they can be in different states such as running, sleeping, or stopped. Now, let's talk about process management. Process management involves viewing processes using commands like ps and top, controlling processes with commands like kill, pkill, and killall, sending different signals to processes to manage their behavior, and managing process priorities using commands like nice and renice. In Linux, signals are used to communicate with processes. These signals can tell a process to terminate, pause, or reload its configuration. Here are some common signals. SIGTERM with the number 15 is the termination signal, and it's the default signal used by the kill command. It politely asks the process to exit gracefully. SIGKILL with the number 9 is the kill signal. It forces a process to terminate immediately without saving its state. SIGHUP with the number 1 is the hang-up signal. It's often used to tell a process to reload its configuration files. SIGINT with the number 2 is the interrupt signal. It's sent to a process when you press Ctrl+C in the terminal. SIGSTOP with the number 19 is the stop signal, which pauses a process's execution. It's important to remember that these signals are used by the kill, pkill, and killall commands to control processes. Let's start with the kill command. The kill command sends signals to processes using their process identification number, or PID. The default signal sent by kill is SIGTERM, which is signal 15. To use kill, you need to know the process identification number, or PID, of the process you want to terminate. You can send a specific signal using the S option, or by specifying the signal number directly. Here are a few examples. To terminate a process gracefully, use the command kill followed by the process identification number, or PID, such as kill1234. To force kill a process, use the command kill with the -9 option followed by the process identification number, or PID like kill -9-1234. To send the HUP signal to reload a configuration, use the command kill SHUP, followed by the process identification number, or PID, for example, kill /s/HUP/1234. Next, we'll explore the pkill command. The pkill command sends signals to processes by their name, which is more convenient than kill because you don't need to know the process identification number, or PID. Pkill can match processes by a pattern, making it flexible. It also supports various filtering options. Let's look at some examples. To terminate all Firefox processes, simply use pkill Firefox. To force kill all processes with HTTP in their name, use pkill-9 HTTP. To kill processes owned by a specific user, use pkill username Chrome, replacing username with the actual username. Now let's discuss the killall command. The killall command kills processes by their exact name. This command is more precise than pkill, and it terminates all matching processes. It also supports additional options for filtering. Here are some examples. To kill all instances of Firefox, use killall Firefox. To force kill all Apache 2 processes, use killall-9 Apache 2. To kill processes running longer than a specified time, use killall-1H Chrome, which will kill all Chrome processes running for over 1 hour. To summarize, let's compare the 3 commands we've discussed: kill, pkill, and killall. The kill command targets processes by their process identification number, or PID. It offers the highest precision, targeting a specific process instance. Use it when you know the exact process identification number, or PID, of the process you want to terminate. The Pkill command targets processes by a process name pattern. It has medium precision, as it can match partial names. It is useful when you need to kill processes by name pattern or with specific attributes. The Killall command targets processes by the exact process name. It has high precision but requires an exact name match. It is ideal when you need to kill all instances of a specific program. Before you start using these commands, keep in mind the best practices and cautions. Always try SIGTERM, the default signal, before resorting to SIGKILL. Use grep to verify process identification numbers, or PIDs, before killing processes. Be as specific as possible with process names to avoid unintended kills. Consider using the I, which stands for interactive, flag for confirmation before killing a process. Never kill system-critical processes as it may crash your system. Avoid killing processes as root unless absolutely necessary. Be extremely careful with wildcards in process names, as they can cause unintended consequences. Remember that SIGKILL, which is -9, prevents processes from shutting down cleanly, potentially leading to data loss. In summary, Linux provides powerful tools for process control. Choose the right command based on your specific needs. Use kill by process identification number, or PID, kill by pattern, and Killall by exact name. Up next, you can learn about process monitoring and resource management to further enhance your Linux skills. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.